The important point which I want you to understand is that terrorism in India, whether in Punjab, whether in Kashmir, you have one common link, and that is it was Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. The Northeast is a different issue. You have various players over there. But terrorism has emanated from our neighboring country, and they have patronized them, they have trained terrorists. Punjab now is peaceful, but terrorism continues by Pakistan, because Pakistan is the epicenter of takfirism. And there is no difference of ideology between the terrorist groups in Pakistan and Daesh and in Al-Qaeda. They believe in fact, they believe that they have a religious sanction, which is completely wrong. Islam does not allow killing of any person. And that, unfortunately, that is their ideology which they have been promoting, perpetrating. The terrorist groups like LET, Jaish-e-Mohammed in Pakistan, they are from Pakistan, but ideologically they are very close to Daesh and Al-Qaeda. In fact, LET was also collaborating and helping Al-Qaeda. So the lessons we have learned is that there should be no tolerance to terrorism. Anyone who picks up arms is a terrorist. We will not allow any space to be given to any terrorist. And that is why we have come here to request the Algerian political leadership to help India in bringing back Pakistan in the FATF grey list, because Algeria is a member of FATF.